MIAD's pre-college went virtual this summer. High school students took classes from their homes to develop their art and design skills and prepare them for college.
For the MIAD pre-college, I took graphic design, and graphic design, it was really it was amazing. The teachers I had, they were both super nice, and their TAs were super nice, and it was just it was something I was looking forward to every day.
I wanted to get a feel for what I feel like a college course would be more similar to, and how it would differ from just a normal high school course in art. My favorite part about pre-college so far is probably the connections I've made. I really like being able to collaborate with all my peers. I like that we're all working on the same thing at the same time.
So this summer for pre-college presented a couple challenges that we were a little worried about, and I don't think we should have been, because all of the things that I think I was worried about anyway, the students 100% came to the table and made up for.
In this time of COVID, we've really been engaging the idea of how to make a sense of community. And I think we pulled it off. There's a sense of resiliency being built in this group of young people. They are not going to let this defeat what should be a phenomenal experience for them.
I gave them a new assignment. It was an exercise where I told them, you have to create an illustration that is the most complex illustration. I thought that my students would, try and oh, this is maybe a little hard. I don't know if we can do this. But wow, did they all come up with some really great ideas and fantastic solutions and fantastic concepts to what it means to have a complex illustration.
We're getting really strong students to apply to our program, and that can't be said loud enough.
I think if I was able to tell the person who I received the scholarship from, I would tell them, I greatly appreciate it. It's going to help me in the long run, and I really hope that this helps me get to a place where I can proceed with my career. I'm very grateful to receive it.
To my donor, I would say thank you. I'm very thankful, just very happy that I was able to have this chance.